From the tropical shores of a distant coast to the sun-drenched heart of Rajasthan, the humble coconut will travel on a remarkable journey. In its transformation, it will carry a story of innovation few have heard. For centuries, the coconut will remain the lifeblood of coastal economies, a tree of legendary generosity, where every single part will find a purpose, from its water to its shell. But for a place like Ajmer, the real story will begin with the husk. Once considered waste, this tough fibrous shell will become the raw material for a global green revolution. And this revolution will be driven by two key elements: coir, the golden fiber, and coco peat, the soil beneath the fiber. The journey will begin when husks from the coast arrive at processing units in Ajmer. The first step will be a powerful separation as a defibering machine will tear the husks apart, separating them into two distinct resources. One will be the long, tough fiber, the other, a fine, spongy dust known as coir pith. First, the coir pith will undergo a careful sieving process, separating coconut dust from fibers and ensuring a uniform high quality medium. Then, this carefully sifted material will be laid out to dry under the Rajasthan sun. Its remarkable ability to retain moisture will make coco peat a game changer for agriculture, especially in arid regions. And what about the other half of the husk? The long golden fibers that will become the story of coir. Skilled hands will guide the raw fiber into yarn of incredible strength and durability. It will remain a craft of patience and precision. From this single thread will come a world of products: tough, weather resistant ropes, durable doormats, brushes, mattresses, and even textiles that will help hold landscapes together. So, what will all this mean? It will be more than just innovation, it will be a solution in action. Ajmer's pilot project will produce 144 tons of coco peat every year, while the local demand will stand at around 100 tons. Each day, nearly 3,000 kilograms of discarded coconut shells, usually waste, will be collected from street vendors and transformed into valuable resources. This process will prevent the shells from ending up in landfills, reducing methane buildup. The pilot will generate revenue of around 2.7 to 3.3 lakh rupees per month and will provide stable employment for around 6 people in roles spanning collection, processing, and sales. Once processed and dried, coco peat will be packed with care. Each bag will carry not just a product but a promise of sustainability, quality, and local empowerment. This initiative will mark more than just a step forward in business, it will represent a vision of responsible growth rooted in the soil of Ajmer. Ajmer, a land of resonance where every grain of dust will tell a story of survival, where harsh climates will meet human ingenuity. From discarded coconut shells will rise a vision of hope, innovation, and circular growth.